Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share with you some lessons I learned from the movie Ratatouille, a delicious and delightful story about a rat who becomes a chef in Paris. Ratatouille is a movie that teaches us about the power of creativity, teamwork, and excellence. It also shows us that we all have something to cook for, even if we are not what others expect us to be. The movie follows the journey of Remy, a rat who has a refined sense of taste and smell and a passion for cooking. He idolizes the famous chef Auguste Gusteau, who believes that anyone can cook. He accidentally ends up in the kitchen of Gusteau's restaurant, where he meets Linguini, a clumsy garbage boy who has no talent for cooking. Remy decides to help Linguini by hiding under his hat and controlling his movements like a puppet. Together, they create amazing dishes that impress the customers and the staff, including the beautiful and tough Colette. However, they also face many challenges and enemies, such as Chef Skinner, who wants to exploit Gusteau's name for his own profit, Anton Ego, a cynical food critic who can make or break a restaurant's reputation, and Remy's own family, who don't understand his love for human food and culture. One of the most inspiring quotes from the movie is, "You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work." This quote is said by Gusteau's ghost, who appears to Remy as his mentor and friend. He advises Remy to be bold and innovative in his cooking, and to not be afraid of failure or criticism. He also inspires Remy to pursue his dream of becoming a chef, despite being a rat. This quote reminds me that we all have something we love to do or create, something that makes us happy and fulfilled. But sometimes we face obstacles or limitations that make us doubt ourselves or conform to others' standards. We should not let them stop us from doing what we love and expressing ourselves. We should be imaginative and strong-hearted. We should try things that may not work and learn from them. So, next time you feel like you are not good enough or you don't belong, remember this quote from Ratatouille: "You must be imaginative, strong-hearted. You must try things that may not work, and then find your creativity and courage to do it. And then share it with others and see how you can impress them." Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some inspiration from it. If you haven't seen Ratatouille yet, I highly recommend it. It's a fun and charming movie that will make you laugh, cry, and salivate. And if you have seen it, let me know what you think in the comments below. What was your favorite part? What did you learn from it? And what is your cooking goal? Have a tasty day.